Have you ever wondered where your photos go when you upload them to the cloud? Or how Netflix streams thousands of movies to millions of users at once without crashing? What if I told you that the magic behind it all lives in giant, invisible servers you'll never see? And one company helps run almost half the internet? Welcome to the world of cloud computing, and today we are rediving deep into how Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is at the center of it all. Let's start with the basics. What is the cloud really? Despite the name, the cloud is not some magical floating space in the sky. It's a network of servers, physical computers, located in data centers around the world. Instead of running apps or storing data on your personal computer, cloud computing lets you do it remotely using these servers. Imagine having access to nearly unlimited storage, processing power, and software, without ever buying a server, setting up a database, or worrying about maintenance. That's what the cloud provides. And Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is the biggest player in the game. But how did Amazon, an online bookstore turned e-commerce giant, become the world's leading cloud provider? It started in 2006, when Amazon realized it had built an extremely powerful infrastructure to handle its global online operations. Instead of keeping it all for themselves, they did something revolutionary. They offered their computing power to others. That's when AWS was born. Got just like that. Startups, governments, Fortune 500 companies, and AI researchers suddenly had access to world-class technology on demand. So how does it actually work? Let's say you're building a new app. Instead of buying servers and networking equipment, you can use AWS to host your application. Need more power because your app goes viral? Use the scales instantly. Need less? You pay less. It's that flexible. AWS offers a huge variety of services, over 200 of them. Some of the most popular include EC2, virtual machines you can launch in seconds. S3, scalable storage for files, images, and backups. Lambda, a serverless computing service that runs your code only when needed and costs you nothing when idle. RDS, manage databases without the hassle of maintenance. And then there's AI and machine learning. Oz is a major backbone of the AI revolution. Services like Amazon SageMaker let developers train and deploy machine learning models without needing to be experts in the field. Want to build a chatbot? Translate text? Analyze images? Oz has tools for all of that. You might be wondering, is cloud computing safe? Security is a massive priority. AWS operates in highly secure facilities with military-grade controls. Plus, they offer encryption, firewalls, access monitoring, and compliance with global standards. In fact, many banks, healthcare providers, and even intelligence agencies use AWS. So who actually uses AWS? Netflix uses AWS to stream videos globally. Stores massive volumes of space data on AWS servers. Airbnb, Spotify, Coca-Cola, and Samsung all rely on AWS. Even governments run their digital infrastructure on it. Cloud computing is so embedded in our lives that most people use it daily without even realizing it. Every time you open a Google Doc, save a photo to iCloud, ask Alexa a question, or scroll through TikTok. Cloud servers are working behind the scenes. And what's the future of cloud computing? It's growing rapidly. With advances in AI, edge computing, and the Internet of Things, cloud computing is evolving. Soon, we'll see even more powerful services that combine massive data processing with real-time insights. Powering self-driving cars, smart cities, and next-gen robotics, and AWS is leading that charge. In a way, cloud computing is the foundation of the digital world, and AWS is one of its master architects. It makes technology accessible, scalable, and nearly invisible. It's the reason you can build a business, launch an app, or run an AI model, all from your laptop. So the next time you hear someone say it's in the cloud, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's not just a buzzword, it's the most powerful computing force of our time. And thanks to AWS, it's at your fingertips. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to help the channel grow. Until next time, cheers.